Hello and welcome. This is a short exercise on Key Stage 2 English called The Cave. Let's read this together. The sun shone from an azure blue sky, the grainy yellow sand warm under our feet, the sea as blue as the sky, rolling onto the shell-strewn shore. We laughed as we paddled at the water's edge. Deep, deep is the cliff space, like a giant's yawning jaw. Dark and forbidden was a cave. Quietly, our laughter ended. We entered its cold cathedral dampness. Shrouded by its blackness, our eyes blinded. Voices quietly echoed in the eerie silence. Save the drip, save the water pattering from the above. We shivered, then ran back to the bright sunlight and safety of the sand, choosing light over darkness. Nice little poem on the cave, talking about the sky, the sand, the shoreline, the sea, and the cave itself, and the descriptions of the feelings of the cave. So read this again one more time, try and understand the background of where this poem is, sentence by sentence, stanza by stanza, and then you've got some questions to answer thereafter. Good luck with the questions, and we'll review these in our next lesson. Thank you.